Welcome to Inner Healing and Awakening. I'm truly grateful you're here. If you feel like you have to do everything alone, if you're strong, capable, independent, yet deeply tired, if receiving help feels uncomfortable, unreliable, or unsafe, this clearing may be for you. Today, we are continuing our root chakra healing journey, and we are working with the belief, I am not supported. This belief can form quietly. It often develops through early experiences of inconsistency, emotional neglect, grief, instability, or ancestral survival patterns. And if this resonates with you, it doesn't mean there's anything wrong with you. It means your system learned how to survive by relying only on itself. The root chakra governs safety, stability, and support. When this belief is active, people often overfunction, carry everything alone, struggle to receive help, or feel unsupported even when others are present. The nervous system stays alert, prepared to manage life without assistance. The benefits of clearing this belief can be subtle, yet deeply transformative. Many people begin to feel lighter, less burdened, and less alone internally. Burnout can ease. Receiving support may feel safer. Relationships can soften. And over time, life can feel less like something you must carry entirely on your own. Before we clear anything, we are going to test whether this belief is active for you. We never clear something that isn't present. If you have your pendulum, hold it in the way that feels most comfortable for you. Over your root chakra area below the belly, over a root chakra diagram, or over the written statement on paper. First, ask your pendulum to show you yes. Then ask it to show you no. This simply calibrates the pendulum to your energy. Now ask, is the belief I am not supported currently active in my energy field? Allow the pendulum to move naturally. There is no right or wrong answer. If you receive a yes, this clearing is appropriate for you today. If you receive a no that is completely okay, you may not need this layer right now. If you do not have a pendulum, simply notice your body. Do you feel heaviness, tightness, emotion, or resistance when you hear this statement? That awareness alone is enough. If this belief feels active for you, we will continue. Protection. Now we begin with protection. I call in divine protection, divine truth, and pure light. I ask that only energies aligned with love and healing may be present. I release and block any interference or distortion. I am safe. I am grounded. I am protected. Clearing. Now allow the clearing to begin. We now clear and release the belief, I am not supported. Repeat gently after me and allow your pendulum to move for as long as it needs. I now clear and release. I am not supported. Across all timelines, dimensions, and realities. Across all ancestral lines and generations. Across all lifetimes, if allowed. From my body, my nervous system, my subconscious, and my energy field, I release it fully. I release it now. Stay with your breath. If emotions arise, let them move. If you feel yawning, deep breaths, tingles, heaviness lifting, or calm, this is your system releasing stored survival patterns. Now ask, is the belief I am not supported fully cleared now? If you receive a no, continue gently. I now clear and release. I am not supported. Across all timelines, dimensions, and realities. Across all ancestral lines and generations. Across all lifetimes, if allowed. From my body, my nervous system, my subconscious, and my energy field, I release it now. Ask again. Is this belief fully cleared now? When you receive a yes, pause. Breathe. Fill. Now we fill the root chakra. One filling statement only. Allow it to run for as long as your system needs. I now fill my root chakra with deep support and steadiness. Allow the pendulum to move. Let your body receive. Activate. Now we activate the new frequency. One activation statement only. I am supported. Let the pendulum stop before moving on. Seal. Now we seal this work. I seal my root chakra gently and completely. Let the pendulum stop before moving on. After pendulum stops, say, I seal my aura in divine light. This healing is integrated across all timelines, dimensions, and realities. What has been released does not return. I am grounded. I am supported. I am safe. Integration. Take a slow breath in and out. After this session, drink water. Rest if you need to. Ground yourself by feeling your feet on the floor or stepping outside. Integration may continue for the next 24 to 72 hours. Be gentle with yourself during this time. If you want this healing to become lasting, keep a healing diary. Write the statement you cleared, how you felt before, how you feel after, and any emotional or life shifts you notice. If this clearing supported you, subscribe and turn on notifications. In the next root chakra session, we will gently continue into the next layer. Thank you for being here. You are not weak. You are not alone. You are healing. Clear, integrate, awaken, one powerful step at a time.